it's the last day of May, but I still need to film my May Target beauty box unboxing. I love that they're still going with the watercolor trend on the boxes, and we are back to the old school good boxes again. And it's purple, it's so pretty, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. As I've said in other ones, the ones that are this type of box, I reuse the boxes because they're really good quality. So anyway, getting into it, and I love that it's sky blue tissue paper. I'm like, oh, my color's purple and blue. So we've got that. Okay, first let's read the thingy. So, Festival of Beauty headliners: Coachella, EDC, Governor's Ball. Festival season is finally here. To help you stand out from the crowd and make your life just a little bit easier, we rounded up the beauty headliners that will make you the star of the show. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Like what you tried? We want to see what you got, what you loved, and how you styled it. Tag us with hashtag TargetBeauty or hashtag TargetBeautyBox. And then we've got thingies, as well as some coupons, $3 off beauty purchase of 15 or more. Good to have, but it expires on June 2nd, so it's not really that helpful to me, because it expires in like 2 days. But anywho, let us go through the box. So first thing itself wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't drop something, right? Right. So we have got, God, I thought I scratched it really bad, but I didn't. Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh Cool Essentials 48-hour antiperspirant non-irritant formula. 1/4. I don't know what that means, but it's 1 ounce. It's aluminum chlorohydrate. Now, the fact that this sprays on and it's aluminum based makes me a little iffy, not gonna lie. I'll still use it, but I mean, the aluminum thing kind of freaks me out anyway, but inhaling it, that freaks me out more. But yeah, that's the active ingredient in it. Reduces underarm wetness. It is flammable. Apply to underarms only. No kidding. So, Dove Cool Essentials Dry Spray Antiperspirant. Dry Spray Antiperspirant goes on instantly dry, leaves underarms feeling soft and smooth, and provides protection that lasts up to 48 hours. Which is good to know. That other canned thing is... I may give this to my sister just because I think she could use it more than me. The SGX NYC Salon Graphics The Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, refresh, and hold dry shampoo meets hairspray. Hit refresh. Absorbs oil, soft hold, revitalize next day hair with instant freshness, full of texture and volume for that perfectly imperfect undone look. Free of parabens, petrolatum, sulfates, gluten, vegan-friendly, product not tested on animals, with sea botanicals, hydrolyzed wheat protein, and UV filter. Okay then. Shake well. Hold can 8 to 10 inches from dry hair. Spray, focusing on the roots. Massage through hair with fingertips to absorb oil evenly. Tousle for extra volume and movement. Give hair a final spray for a brushable hold and finish. Okay. Formula tested by New York City specialists. So in here it says the SGX NYC, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 dry texture spray. 3-in-1 formula texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes hair, instantly absorbing oil so that day-old locks look bouncy and full of light. Hint for added fullness, spray with head upside down. That's the thing. But again, pretty sure my sister can use this more than me. I do not have good luck with dry shampoos, just throwing that out there. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what, but I don't seem to have great luck with it, but she does, so that, and she uses the texturizing stuff, so there's that. So this, since it's by Bliss, already caught my attention, but just appearance-wise, aesthetically, caught my attention too. So this is the Bliss Jelly Glow Peel, gentle, non-abrasive exfoliator with root enzymes. So bouncy jelly peel gently exfoliates and hydrates, leaving skin soft, fresh, and perfectly primed for smooth makeup application. Tip: when skin is damp, dot onto cheeks, forehead, and chin, then gently massage in a circular motion to sweep away impurities. This gentle jelly peel exfoliates with soft plant-based fibers that act like micro lint rollers to capture and roll away dry, flaky skin and dirt. No harsh scrubbing needed. Leaves skin smooth, soft, and fresh. Okay, good to know. That probably will be very useful for me because I always have dry, flaky skin no matter what I do. Then we've got the Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Sunscreen Mist. I can use that. Oil-free, weightless, and moisturizing sunscreen mist is formulated with age-proofing antioxidants and is ideal for touch-ups on the go. Helps prevent skin damage and skin aging from the sun. It's got SPF 30, broad spectrum for UVA and UVB protection, good for face and body. Has green tea extract in it. Good to know. It's got avobenzone, homosalate, and octocrylene in it. Pretty cute. I like the little bottle. Perfect for throwing in your purse on the go, although that, I feel like, to use as an all-over sunscreen, you should probably have a full-size bottle. Like, let's be real. Thing I'm most excited about in this one, though. We've got some nail polish. So this is the Sinful Colors Nail Polish Fool for Azul. Easy to use, brush effortlessly, glides across nails, ensuring the polish goes on perfectly, and that you'll make a splash in this playful aqua hue. He's so pretty. Just saying, there's not a whole lot to say. I mean, it's nail polish. We'll see how it does, but right now I am enjoying this nail polish, so we shall see. These on the website, I wasn't quite sure what they were. I had a pretty good guess, but I wasn't positive. So these are by Sincerely Jewels and Scoonchy. Assorted jewelry hair rings. I was like, oh, I was right. So you loop these through a boho braid or place around the crown of a high pony for festival-ready locks in a blink. How to: simply weave into sections of hair, then secure with a spritz or two of hairspray. Again, good to know, and they're really cute. One has a little leaf on it. One's got a moon with a star. That one's my favorite, and this one's just like a little rhinestone in there. Or not even a rhinestone, it's just like a plastic crystal, but it's really cute. And the rest of them are just plain loops, but I'm just like, dude, where can I get more of these? I'd like to have a whole shit ton of these in my hair, honestly. Knowing me, I'll probably end up with it all tangled and matted as crap, but I mean, seems like they could be fun to play with. And finally, the last time, I went through this really fast, didn't I? More hollow! Sorry. This is Unmask Beauty. Is that the brand? No, it's by the Mask Bar. Holographic Mask Sachet. Holographic peel-off mask helps revitalize, moisturize, and illuminate the appearance of skin. Hello, glow! So, it says literally the same thing. And it contains collagen, eucalyptus extract, and grapefruit extract. So basically expect it to burn like a bitch because of the eucalyptus. No, I don't know that for a fact, but I mean, just seems like it may. It may. But I want to know, is it all holographic when it goes on? Could be fun. Could be like the unicorn mask that I still need to do, but I'm just personally having fun playing with this. It makes me think of Marty McFly's hat in the second Back to the Future movie. Like, come on. You know what I'm talking about here. You know you do. But yeah, apply a thin, even layer of mask to clean, dry skin. Leave mask on for 10 to 15 minutes or until mask becomes completely dry. Gently peel off mask in a downward motion from the outer edges. Remove any residual residue with toner. What if you don't have toner? Then apparently you're screwed. But anyway, so that's that. And that is the end of what all was in this box. Compared to April, that had a grand total of, I think, 6 different beauty boxes, 5 of which I bought, there was only one for May, which, I mean, after all those, I was a little bit relieved because I was just like, not sure I could keep up with that pace every month. Every other month, maybe, but not every month. So, but it's really good stuff in this one. So I'm very happy with this one. Even the box itself, I'm happy with. I always am, though. But, everything in it, with the exception of the one thing I'm probably going to give to my sister, very happy with. Definitely going to get used. So, anyways. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What is your favorite thing that was in this month's Target Beauty Box? Let me know down below, or anything at all that you feel like leaving me about. Anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.